Art, start, go. In this video, we will draw an eye with colored pencil. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe now for more videos on how to draw and create art. True green was used to color the initial outline. Dark brown was used to color in the pupil. The colors used for the iris will be several different browns. Black cherry was also used to blend in some of the darker areas. Black cherry was used to darken the outline and color the eyelashes. Blush pink and cream were used to color in the eye and the skin. As I make new videos, I want to share them with you, so subscribe now. Also comment, like, and check out some of the other content on our channel.